to break down 10 secrets that are a wealth vehicle to keep your money in your pocket and make you rich and wealthy. I've been working for the poor, the middle class, and the wealthy my whole life. And I came up with a list of 10 secrets that the rich use. Number one is the 1031 like-kind exchange. It is for real estate people. Whether you bought your first single-family house or you own a multifamily, I'm talking to you. It could be a lot, it could be an apartment building, it could be an inheritance. The 1031 exchange in the IRS code allows you to reinvest your taxable gain. What I mean by that is, you basically get to reinvest your money without paying taxes. So when you sell your next piece of property, reinvest 100% of it without paying taxes, perfectly legal, Section 1031. I'm gonna break it down for you real quick, okay? Number one is, within 45 days, you have to identify 3 potential replacement properties, okay? So you basically gotta know what you might buy when you sell your first property, okay? Number 2, you have to buy that replacement property within 6 months, okay? Simple as that. The final tip, this is where most lawyers screw it up, is that you have to use a qualified intermediary. It cannot be your regular lawyer. It cannot be done by a closing attorney. It has to be a qualified, separate individual who will monitor the money, put it in their trust account, and distribute it to you later so it never passes through you as a gain. So guess what? When you have a silent partner as Uncle Sam, he's gonna take between 20 and 25% of your gain and he's gonna put it in his pocket. I'm gonna show you around Sarasota. I'm here handling a corporate client right now who's doing basically multifamily qualified intermediary transactions, tax-free. I want you to look at the skyline. One more tip before I get up is, like kind is the most misleading concept. It is not like each other. So you can do this with a single family home, you could do this with a condo, and then exchange it for a lot of land, or for an apartment building, or for a commercial piece of real estate. So they don't have to be like, as far as zoning, like a municipal sort of master plan. So that's it, that's the 1031. And if it's done correctly, you can flip your money, double your money over and over again, and get super rich. And that's what I want for you. I want you to be blessed. I want you to bless everyone else. Let me show you the skyline, some of these results out here in Sarasota, one of these beautiful cities here in America.
Would you like to put these two together?
Hey Manny, you're looking good, buddy. Manny, say hello.
Huh?
Say hello to Facebook.
What's going on, guys?
Well, we'll take it for now, and then if this line is over, if something frees up, yeah.
You know, you take a look around Sarasota, okay? Take a look. Come on, take a look out here, okay? 99% of people aren't using the 1031, whereas about 50% of people that are wealthy use it. So I want you to take a look around at what this skyline is like. Because whether you're selling a $100,000 condo, or whether you're selling a $100 million building that your grandfather bought in Queens or Manhattan, you don't have to pay taxes, you reinvest it. One more thing, and I don't want to bog you down with rules because we're in Sarasota at sunset, and this is what I want. This is what it's about. We're not focusing on money. What we want is freedom. And that's what I want for you, is freedom. So I want you to reinvest your money, and I want you to keep it in your pocket, and I want you to reinvest in the skyline. So when you want to buy a building and sell a building, use that 1031. I am a qualified intermediary. I'm down here in Sarasota handling one right now. Don't be shy. My number is 973-519-3332. You can call me. That's my cell. I'm a texter. Take a look at these boats. Take a look at this skyline. So closing out here, this is going to be one of 10 parts. I'm going to just give you all my secrets that the super rich have taught me. I've been a tax attorney a long time, and I will tell you this, the 1031 is the best way to roll over those gains and just keep reinvesting and doubling your money. I love you, Uncle Sam, but you're my silent partner, and I never wanted you to be my partner. Reinvest your own money, use the 1031, use that qualified intermediary, so if you are audited, you're not one of the many that gets the deduction denied. I'll make sure of that. Call me if you have any questions.
Next.